lemma, if lambda belongs to f is an eigenvalue of t belongs to a of v, then for any polynomial f of x belongs to capital F of x, f of lambda is an eigenvalue of f of t. Here we have to show that for any polynomial f of x, f of lambda is an eigenvalue of f of t. Proof. In our hypothesis they given that lambda belongs to f is an eigenvalue of t. So now by the definition of eigenvalue, there exists a non-zero vector v belongs to v such that t of v is equal to lambda v. Now consider t square of v, that is t square of v, which is equal to t of v. Now t of v can be written as lambda v. Now t of lambda v can be written as lambda of lambda v. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು t of v is equal to lambda v ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. Now t of lambda v ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ so lambda of lambda v. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ v place ಅಲ್ಲಿ lambda v ಇದೆ. So therefore it can be written as lambda of lambda v. It can be written as lambda square v. Similarly, t cube of v is equal to lambda cube v. Continuing this way, we find Tm of v is equal to lambda power m of v for all positive integer m. Now consider a polynomial f of x is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus so on up to an t power n, which belongs to f of x. Then f of t is equal to a0 plus a1t plus a2t square plus so on up to plus an t power n. Now consider f of t of v, which is equal to a0 of v plus a1t of v plus a2 t square of v plus so on up to an t power n of v. Now a0 of v plus a1, so this can be written as lambda v1 plus a2, illenirate t square of v irate, so t square of v means we get lambda square of v, so substitute here lambda square of v plus so on plus an, we get t power m of v is equal to lambda power m of v andre, so t power n of v ante andre lambda power n v anta baribodu. So now take v as common, that is a0 plus a1 lambda plus a2 lambda square plus so on up to plus an lambda n of v. So now observe this can be written as f of lambda into v. Now we get f of t of v is equal to f of lambda of v. Now this can be written as f of lambda minus f of t of v is equal to 0. Now we know that a theorem, that is if t is singular, if and only if there exists a non-zero vector v such that t of v is equal to 0. Now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ t ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ f of lambda minus f of t ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ t of v is equal to 0 ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ f of lambda minus f of t of v is equal to 0 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ f of t of v is equal to 0 ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ t ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಾ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ f of lambda I minus f of t is singular. Now we know that another theorem, that is if t belongs to a of v and lambda belongs to f, then lambda is an eigenvalue of t if and only if lambda I minus t is singular. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಐ ಮೈನಸ್ ಟಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಐಗನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಐಗನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಐ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಐಗನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಾ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಅಬೋವ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಐಗನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ. ಸೊ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೂಫ್.